So the Christian, however, can ride the argument further down the line.
Oh, really?
Keep going, baby.
Okay.
For not only does the universe exist, it exists at multiple levels as a harmony of unity and plurality. Of unity, of oneness, and plurality, of diverseness.
Right.
At a basic level, the universe contains countless individual physical particles, but they all behave in a unified fashion.
Right, so that's the plurality, all of the particles, right?
Right.
And how they behave then is...
In this unified fashion, obeying the same physical laws. There's both a unity, the laws,
Right.
and the plurality, the particles.
Okay.
So it's a kind of a concept called the one and the many. It's an issue for people,
Yeah, and
not
it's
for us
both,
Christians.
right? Yeah.
Right. So at a higher level, the human race is made up of billions of diverse individuals, but we're unified by a common human nature that distinguishes us from other creatures like chimpanzees and manatees and insects and creepy things and bananas and palm fronds. We're 94% like the monkey in our DNA structure, whatever that means.
I think it's like 98 or something like that. We're 94% like a banana.
Yeah, we're more like bananas, and then palm trees actually have more than us, so they're a more advanced life form. They're our rulers. Yeah. So whenever you experience a hiccup in your life, blame it on them.
Yeah. So we have both unity and diversity, right, that exists in the universe in general, and then specifically, even if we go up higher, he tells us, with human beings, we have both unity and diversity, right? We're unified in terms of we're all alike in terms of having a human nature, but we're all individuals, and so we're diverse. And so he says, since the universe exists as a harmony of unity and plurality, we should expect the source of its existence to exist, in a similar type of harmony of unity and plurality, right? And of course, that's exactly what the Christian view of God maintains, right? The absolute being, God, is both one and many. He is an ultimate unity, one God, right? And an ultimate plurality, three distinct persons in perfect human harmony.
Right.
And so we have, the explanation of the universe. God is the universe that he created in a certain degree or aspect reflects who he is.
Yeah, and the creation that he created.
Yeah.
So he uses information because he is the ultimate source of information. He communicates through the laws of logic. And so the world is expressed through those laws of logic, and they're consistent because he's consistent. And so that's why you kind of need this one in the many. And Eli Allah had a really good interview, and I forget the person's name or book, but on Revealed Apologetics, and I'll link those, the video and the book, in the show notes below.
Yeah.